Hello coders, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll have a look on the ternary operator. What is the syntax of the ternary operator, how it is being used, where it is being used. Okay, so in the ternary operator, as we see, we have one condition. So depending on this condition, we have two choices: whether it is true, whether it is false. So whatever this condition output is, it will switch to that section and it will print that. So let's see. Let's have a program in which we have to find the maximum of two numbers. Okay. So what I can do is uh, integer max one is equal to 9, comma max two is equal to 40. Okay. So if I have to do it with the if else statement, what I have to do, if m1 is greater than m2, then printf m1 is greater. Okay, and in else case, what we will have, we'll have printf m2 is greater. Okay, so what I can do is, in spite of using the if else statement, as it is using a lot of lines, can I do it a bit faster and cleaner? Yes, you can do it. So how can we do it? So we have one condition. Okay, so what I will do, I will take a max variable, and what I will do here, I have to follow a condition. So condition is if m1 greater than m2, the same way. Okay, and then we have this ternary operator, and then what I will do, I'll copy this. If this condition is true, then print this. Okay, else we have a colon here, then else condition is this, m2 is greater. So I'll copy here and put it here. Okay, so at the last, what I can do, I can comment it out. Okay, and I save it, and let's compile it once. Okay, so here it is showing m2 is greatest. Okay, so in spite of using these many lines, we can use this one only. Okay, so this way we can have this. So we can use it in one other way also. So if I need a function which will take two inputs and output the result, so what I can do is, so I have one max function, so I'll take void star void only, and max is a function name. Then what I will do here, I'll have two integers, int a and int b, and these two uh, variables I need to compare and need to check what is output. So in spite of using this, I will return what I will return. I'll return the value of greatest. A or B, semicolon. Okay, so I will comment this all. Okay, I'll remove this thing, I'll remove this thing, and now I need to check this function. So what I will do, oh sorry, I think I need this int here, save it, and I have to find the max of 5 and 9. Okay, and I need to print it as well. So I'll print here max number is percentage E. Okay, so here I'll close it, I'll save it, and then I'll run it. Okay, so max number is 9. So in spite of having these all, number of lines, we can decrease our line. So there are few advantages and disadvantages regarding this ternary operator. Okay, so that I will tell you. So first is the compactness. These are the advantages. Okay, so the thing is, in spite of using so many lines and readable perspective as well, this is far better than if else statement for now. Inline assignment on only a single line is enough to get the output. In spite of multiple lines, we have the return values as well. So in the return values, I told you, like, single liner is there. Okay, you don't have to write a big code or something. So readability wise also it is fine. Okay, so there are few disadvantages also. So we have to be very clear where to use if else statement and where to use this ternary operations. So if there is a complex logic in which there are multiple nested if else statements, so there we cannot use this. Okay, because the readability will be affected, and if else is more organized in spite of this ternary operator. Okay, so we have multiple statements are needed in each branch. Okay, so but here we have a single liner command. Okay, and readable will suffer because of this, because if we have increased these number of cases to 10, so at that time it will be a problem for us. Okay, that's all for this time.